Welcome to the in front of me DOOGEE S86 PRO, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that scroll down to the sound section. Here we can set the media, call, ringtone and alarm volume panels. We can change all of them just by swipe to the left or to the right side with your finger, that's white dot. So by this way, here we have also vibrate for call switcher. We can activate and turn off the vibration for calls, and we can switch here in volume button control. We can switch the media to ringtone volume. So for example, now we'll by using our volume buttons, we'll switch the ringtone volume, not the media one. Here we have also vibration when device vibration when call is connected, so we can turn off this feature. Here we can set the don't disturb mode. We can turn it on, turn it off. We can set a schedule, the start and end time, the just to activate, for example, don't disturb in call for the calls, for the SMS, MMS and different apps here. Here we can also have the shortcut, the prevent ringing. We can turn on or turn off this option. So here, as you can see, by press power and volume up button together, we'll just turn it to vibrate or just to mute. Also here we have the advanced features. We can switch the ringtone sound, the notification alarm sounds, and here we also have the switchers to turn on or turn off just by clicking off each of the switchers, to dial pad to activate and turn off dial buttons, the screen lock and lock sounds, charging sounds, the touch sounds and touch vibration. And here also we have the sounds settings, more sound settings, so we can use the volume booster for speaker, or we can also turn it off. So that's it, that all of the sound setting on of our DOOGEE device. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.